Good day, everyone. Thank you very much for this opportunity. My name is Radisti. I'm the project manager for the Indonesian partner in Blue Communities project. Today, I would like to share with you a brief presentation about the Indonesia's team experience in carrying out interdisciplinary research and knowledge co-creation with coastal communities over the past 4 years in Blue Communities. Our case study site is the UNESCO Takabonerate Kepulauan Selayar Biosphere Reserve, consisting of over 130 small islands located to the south of Sulawesi. We mainly worked within the transition zone. One of the first things we did at the start of the project was trying to tailor our approach to fit with the local needs and knowledge gaps in the scientific literature. Indeed, engagement with stakeholders throughout the whole project to address these is one of the key elements of our approach, which also consisted of performing research that would be beneficial to help with the policy making, emphasizing on capacity building of early career researchers, and disseminating our findings beyond the traditional path of scientific journals. We also performed and evaluated our works in terms of how they would contribute towards the achievement of the UN Sustainable Development Goals, particularly through our research addressing aspects of marine resources, health and well-being, climate change, and economic growth. Indeed, we have strived to seek the overlaps across the various components of research projects within the Blue communities. We particularly tried to look at the intersections between ecosystem services, including the potential of coastal and marine environment as the reservoir for renewable energy, and human health and well-being, and how the scientific understanding of these issues can be advanced through a participatory approach with the local coastal communities. We have so far identified that engaging in activities in the coastal environment may reduce the risk of clinical depression, that tourism development might not be a direct pathway towards equitable sustainable development, that local knowledge of ecosystem services is more nuanced than has been previously imagined, and that sustainable behavior in young adults may be induced through the collaborative, creative work of making short films. Many of these works were conceptualized, carried out, and analyzed in research works by early career researchers, including myself. Although it seemed to be daunting at the start, we have benefited significantly through collaborative works with leading experts and other early career researchers from the UK and other Southeast Asian country partners, and field works with the local communities. Some of our notable achievements include the previously mentioned cross-country collaborations, which included trainings, workshops, and have resulted in publications at high-impact journals involving early career researchers, some as lead authors. The full list of the papers can be seen at the Blue Communities website. We have also provided inputs for policymaking directly to key government actors, including National Park Authority, the regional body for planning and development, and relevant committees. Our participatory research works have also aided the local stakeholders' work in raising awareness towards issues they deem relevant, such as marine debris and litter, and destructive fishing practices. We also provided inputs and educational materials towards the development of local primary school curriculum on the natural environment, and aided young community members in establishing organizations dedicated towards awareness raising on the issue of sustainable living in the area. Lastly, we also experimented with non-traditional channels for research dissemination. For instance, our works have received coverage from mass media in Indonesia, and we have also made documentary films. Overall, all these were achieved through the dedication of our research team, who have worked very hard to ensure that Blue communities in Indonesia can live tangible results, despite the various challenges we have faced in the past, including the pandemic. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.